Design of Everyday Thinking by Don Norman. Design of Everyday. In the Design of Everyday Things, Don Norman argues that effective design must prioritize the needs, behavior, and psychology of the users. He argues that key components such as affordances, signifiers, planning, feedback, and error management are essential in creating product that genuinely meet the needs of users. Key topics: affordances, signifiers, mapping, communication, error, feedback, and insight. Affordances. Affordances show what actions are possible by revealing how an object can be used based on its design and the user's interaction with it. Example: affordances communicate possible action through design alone, make instruction or labels unnecessary. Signifiers. Signifiers communication where an action should take place by guiding the user's attention to the appropriate part of a design. They help bridge the gap between what people need and what designer must provide. For example, in an elevator, a lit up button indicates that a floor has been selected, signaling to users that their actions was registered. The button itself is also signifier. Mapping. Mapping is the concept in the design and layout of controls and displays. It refers to the connection between an action and its intended result. Communication. Effective communication helps establishing structure and gaining insight into the need of others. For example, in the design process, clear communication between designers and users ensure that feedback is understood and acted on, leading to products that are user-friendly. Error. Errors are inevitable in any system, which is why error proofing is crucial. This approach involves anticipating potential mistake, designing systems to prevent them, and providing easy ways to correct them when they occur. Feedback. Feedback communicates the results of an action to the designer and should be informative enough to help identify what is working and what needs improvement. Bad feedback in design. Poor feedback can actually be more harmful than no feedback, as it might falsely reassure the designer or point them in the wrong direction, creating more problem instead of solving them. Good feedback, effective feedback, points users in the right direction, helping them understand what's happening and what to do next, which leads to smoother and more successful interactions. Takeaway. After reading The Design of Everyday Things helped me understand how design plays a major role in our everyday lives, and that when people struggle to use something, it's usually not their fault, but a sign that the design could be improved to better support human behavior and understanding. Fail often, fail fast, they say, for they know that each failure teaches them a lot about what to do right, by Don Norman.